Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean or replace the filter on DREAME Aqua10 roller. On your robot, you'll need to take the top lid off. I'll place the robot like that so we can see everything well. When you take the top lid off, then you'll see this dust compartment. You need to press on this button right here and at the same time pull the dust bin out. Now you'll see this little button here. Click on it and pull the door forward. Now you'll see the filter. You can also empty the dust bin yourself that way, and the filter is here. You can push it out, I believe. Although, no, not really, because it's glued on, so you can't really do that. But you can clean it. I wouldn't recommend getting it wet with water, but you can use a sort of damp piece of cloth, or just a vacuum or something to get it clean, or just replace it with a new one. Then put it back in. To put it back in, make sure that once you do that it goes in well, because it typically doesn't. And I always get it misaligned. No, it's in. Okay, yeah, it's fine. We can close it. Now we can put the dust bin right here in and close our robot. So that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.